We're two cool science chicks. It don't make no sense. Two cool science chicks. You know it, you know it. Two cool science chicks. It don't make no sense. Two cool science chicks. You know it, you know it.
What you doing?
Oh, I'm just cleaning out the pantry. You know, we're stuck in the house. We have to make sure that we're doing this social distancing, you know, so that we flatten the curve. So, what's up?
Is this taco sauce from Taco Bell?
Yes, it is.
We can do a science experiment from it. I know how.
A science experiment.
Yes, it's possible.
It is?
Yes, very much so.
So, hold on. Science experiment. That means we need our lab coats.
Hi everyone, it's Akyah.
And her Nana, two cool science chicks. Okay, alright Akyah, so you said that you had this science experiment that involved taco sauce. What else does it involve?
A plate. And a penny.
And a penny. Okay.
A dirty penny.
A dirty penny. Go and
Nasty.
okay, go and show them the penny.
It's not this, but this one's not nasty.
Okay,
Looks
I wonder
like
what.
you cleaned this one.
Okay. So a dirty penny. So what are we gonna do with this?
We're gonna clean it.
You're gonna clean a penny with taco sauce. I've never heard of something so crazy. Okay, all right.
So you're
Don't even say it, cause you're still 11. Okay, all right. Go ahead. What are we going to do?
I'm not gonna say anything bad, but okay. You're gonna take your penny,
Okay.
put it on the plate, not in the sink.
So, all right.
A little heads up. You can use scissors too to
Okay.
open the tacos.
All right, I gotta see this. Okay, you guys saw the penny. It's kind of dirty. Is that how you're gonna do it?
It's gonna start out like that.
Oh,
Oh, this does not smell too good. There's chunks in this.
okay. Alrighty. Let me see. Is anything happening?
It doesn't.
Okay, let's see. Looks like it's shiny. Okay, let's go up. Go put that up there. Let's go see.
Shh. We're working here. Gosh, phone's so disrespectful, man. I put it over your face.
How does it look?
Better, I guess, but it's like a glare.
Aren't you supposed to put it like this? Use your hand. And just do it like that.
Yeah, but it's not gonna stay on my hand.
No, but I thought you were supposed to put it like. Did that work?
Oh, there we go.
How's that look?
Good.
Okay.
One last time. Look, there's Abe Lincoln.
Okay. All right. So, sorry. So this penny, it is cleaner. It is. So can you tell me, I'm just wondering, there has to be something in here because,
You cannot read that, you know that.
what do you mean I can't read it?
Remember what we were reading yesterday?
What happened?
Old lady eyes.
Oh, I just need my glasses, that's all. So,
What
whatever.
happened to your gray hair, by the way?
So anyway.
No. Why don't we tell them what you did to your hair?
Okay.
And nice poof, by the way.
So, you know, we're all in the house, and so we haven't been able to go out, yes. And so the gray hairs are starting to come in.
A lot
So, yes,
it's all gray all the way back.
Well, that happens when you're in your 50s. So,
Old people.
yeah, so I took a little something and I kind of...
By the way, 50s for kids, that I'm translating, by the way, that means old people.
Well, anyway, so I took a little something and I kind of brushed something in it to get rid of some of the gray.
Sharpie?
So, no, it was not a Sharpie. But, so that is what she's talking about.
Also, Elijah. From school.
Oh my gosh, now you're going to bring Elijah into this?
From school, yeah. So you know how you're always calling her old? You should see her when she doesn't have like any product or anything in her hair. No makeup, just pure gray, pure old lady.
Yeah, he was always
It's
calling.
crazy.
That's okay. I know you guys were always teasing me and calling me old, but that's okay. All right, that is quite all right. Anyway, I'm sure Elijah would like to get back to this. He would like to know why this penny, why it's clean now. So let's see. There has to be something in here, Akyah. No.
Again, I said you can't read.
Okay, well tell me, because I don't have my glasses. Tell me what is in there.
Vinegar and salt.
Oh, so it's the vinegar and salt. Okay. Akyah, what is the science in this?
Well, there's this thing called copper oxide.
Copper oxide. I've heard of that. Can you explain that? What is copper oxide?
It's when copper and like oxygen from the air meet and mix together, and it becomes this rust.
Oh, so when copper and oxygen, when they meet, okay, so they interact and there's like this chemical reaction, and that's why pennies, you'll see that they're black and they're green sometimes. Okay, I get it. And so because the taco sauce had vinegar and salt in it, that helped clean the pennies. Okay, I got it. All right.
Also water.
Well,
Help rinse off the
yeah,
sauce.
it just helps to rinse it off. Okay, all right, got it. All right, well, are you ready to close this out?
Yes.
Okay, so wait, next week, we are going to make some bread.
And we're gonna be showing her gray hair.
She's so fixated on this gray hair.
Because she uses Sharpie to cover it.
No Sharpie.
Yes.
But anyway, so next week, we will be making
bread.
And you know there's science in making bread because
it rises.
It rises. There's
when
something,
you're quiet.
There's something you put in the bread to make it rise. So,
oh, I think I know what it is.
Think you know what it is? Okay, all right. So, if you are sitting at home and
bored out of your mind,
you need something to do, why don't you try this experiment and gather up some pennies and see just how many you can clean. And why don't you check out some of our videos from the past? Because Akyah is now in 5th grade, and we actually started this YouTube channel when she was in 2nd grade. You're not that tall.
Yes, I am.
And we started this when she was in 2nd grade. So we have a few videos on there, and maybe you could do some of these videos while you're at home. So, Akyah, until then, kids,
stay cool, reach for the stars, always believe in yourself, and never stop questioning. Oh my gosh, it's recording again, don't press it. Hi, welcome to Akyah to Science Without Nana, part 2 because the camera batteries died.
all right, let's go. Okay, and action.
Hi everyone, it's Akyah.
Akyah, get that off of your face. Let's go again.
I was waiting.
We're two cool science chicks. It don't make no sense. Two cool science chicks. You know it, you know it. Two cool science chicks. It don't make no sense. Two cool science chicks. You know it, you know it.